And we're going for it.
So this is something I've been offered to try out. I'm not sure what this is. It's like a pebble sort of stuff.
Yeah, it's like a crab cake kind of thing.
A crab cake? Where do you get crab cake from this?
It's dehydrated crab cake. It's kind of like, you know, astronaut food. You go to like NASA or
It's
like
like a seafood kind of thing. It's a fancy milk. I don't know the exact.
Yeah, we've got some dehydrated crab cake here in a bowl. And then I've been given some oat milk to try with this too. Yeah, as you can see, it looks, I don't know if I like the look of this just because of how it looks like pet food, to be honest. But we'll try it. Oh, I do smell a good aroma here. Yeah, I do taste the crab. And it's really dehydrated. It's chalky though. Yeah, that was only a little bite. Alright, now we'll go for a swig of oat milk. That's not half bad either. Yeah, it's just too dry for me. Yeah, so there's a little spoonful. Yeah, I'm telling you, it really does look like cat food. But it smells like crab, it tastes like crab.
Yeah. It's
So
like
it is crab.
dehydrated crab cake. Yeah. It comes in like, you ever have like astronaut pellets or anything like that?
No.
It's kind of like the stuff Dirk made. That it was like a small can of. It looked like cat food at the time too, but it was like a wet food. This is kind of like the dry. It looks like a dry food.
Oh, okay. Yeah, usually it comes in like the small packets, and it's like freezer dried.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't really had a whole lot of stuff like this, so this is new for me. And to me, I can't really enjoy stuff that's like too dry like this. Yeah, I think that'll help. I put a little oat milk in my spoon. See if that helps it. Yeah, it's not too bad. Probably good if you're on like a hiking trip or you don't have access to a refrigerator. You bring a little Ziploc bag of that along on a trip. It probably works good. And the oat milk, I prefer the regular version of milk to, you know, those soy or nut based alternatives. Just because it kind of takes away from the flavor. Like, it is healthier because there's less fat and there's less cream in like oat and soy milk, but just something I'm not used to. I got nothing against it, but just not my cup of tea, or cup of milk, I should say. Haha. So yeah, that has been dehydrated crab cake with oat milk. I would prefer. When I had tried the dehydrated stuff with the milk, I actually thought the taste came out a little bit worse because those two flavors don't mix really well. They kind of clash, so I just ate them separately to start with. But alright, give it a 7 out of 10.